So, what should we do on Fireworks Day?
What's a fireworks day?
A very successful video.
Oh, okay, so are we gonna celebrate it?
Yeah, I think I might know a fireworks place around here. Does anybody want to buy my fireworks? So, yeah, can we buy free fireworks? Okay, sure, that'll be $7.
Okay, thank you for the fireworks.
I hope you like your fireworks. Oh my god, those fireworks were so heavy. Well, we're just gonna have to wait until it's nighttime.
Alright, Green, light the firework. Oh
That's
my
a really
goodness,
cool
so
firework.
Alright, let's do the next one.
Well, turns out I can just use this lighter instead of starting a fire, so yeah. Still as cool as always.
Wait a minute, isn't it supposed to go up in the air and go